First alternative, DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve is one of the most powerful free video editors you can use. It is used by beginners, YouTubers, and even professional editors. With the free version, you can cut videos, add music, edit audio, add effects, color correct your footage, and export high-quality videos. The best thing about DaVinci Resolve is that it can grow with you. At first, you can use it for simple editing, but later, if you want to learn more serious video editing, color grading, or audio work, it gives you a lot of advanced tools. The downside is that it can feel complicated at the beginning. If you are coming from CapCut, the interface may look a little scary. But if you want a long-term editor, DaVinci Resolve is one of the best choices. Next alternative, Shotcut. Shotcut is a free and open-source video editor. It works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. It is not as modern-looking as CapCut, but it gives you many useful editing tools. You can cut clips, add transitions, add filters, edit audio, and export your video in different formats. Shotcut is a good option if you want something free and simple, but still more flexible than a basic editor. The interface can feel a little old, and it may not feel as smooth as CapCut. But for basic YouTube videos, tutorials, and simple edits, Shotcut can do the job.
Next alternative, ClipChamp. ClipChamp is Microsoft's video editor. It is built into newer versions of Windows, and it also works in the browser. This makes it one of the easiest options for beginners. If you want something simple, fast, and close to CapCut style, ClipChamp can be a good choice. You can trim clips, add text, add music, use transitions, use stock media, and apply simple effects. ClipChamp is not made for professional editing, but for basic videos, quick edits, school projects, shorts, and social media content, it is very easy to use. The downside is that some features may require a Microsoft account or a paid plan. So ClipChamp is best for people who want convenience, not advanced editing. Next alternative, Kdenlive. Kdenlive is another free and open source video editor. It is popular with Linux users, but it also works on Windows and Mac. Compared to OpenShot and Shotcut, Kdenlive feels more advanced. It has multi-track editing, effects, transitions, color tools, audio tools, and many export options. If you want a free editor that feels closer to a real desktop editing program, Kdenlive is a strong option. It is not as powerful as DaVinci Resolve, but it is lighter and open source. The interface may take some time to learn, but it gives you a lot of control. For YouTube videos, commentary videos, tutorials, and long-form content, Kdenlive can be a very good CapCut replacement.
Final alternative, OpenShot. OpenShot is one of the easiest editors on this list. It is free, open source, and very beginner-friendly. You can drag your clips into the timeline, cut them, add music, add text, use transitions, and export your video. OpenShot is a good choice if you only need simple editing. For example, cutting clips, adding background music, and putting a few titles on screen. It is not the best option for heavy projects or advanced effects. Sometimes it can feel slow or limited compared to other editors. But if you want a simple, free editor and you do not want to learn a complicated program, OpenShot is worth trying. Which one should you choose? If you want the most powerful free editor, choose DaVinci Resolve. If you want something simple and free, try Shotcut. If you want the easiest Windows-friendly option, try ClipChamp. If you want a free open-source editor with more control, try Kdenlive. And if you want the simplest beginner editor, try OpenShot. CapCut is not the only option. Depending on your needs, one of these tools may actually be better for you. If you make serious YouTube videos, DaVinci Resolve or Kdenlive are probably the best long-term options. If you make quick and simple videos, ClipChamp, Shotcut, or OpenShot may be enough. Try one or two of them, edit a short project, and see which one feels better for you.